Good morning. It is day 42. 42. Yep, May 12th. And we've left the shelter. It's early for us. I think we were out of there by about 7:23 maybe. We're trying to get out early because one, there's supposed to be rain later, and two, before that it's going to be warm, and there is not a lot of water on this stretch, so we figured we better just get out early so we can go all the way to, hopefully make it all the way to the next shelter, which is 12.5 miles. And yeah, we'll see how we do. Yeah, it is absolutely gorgeous. It looks lighter. The video makes it look lighter. It looks darker to us. Silk's on my pole. One still got me in the head. 17 miles, 460. I'm not sure if that's the one we're going to, but these all look like new signs and new blazes. Yeah, it's been over an hour, but this is a little of what it looks like up here today. I mean, not really, but this is very pretty. As long as it doesn't become Rocksylvania like yesterday, I'm pretty happy with it. It is.
It's not gonna bite. It's a blackface.
Well, I'm not saying that does not mean it won't bite. Back off, you two. Okay, move please.
Poisonous.
Move please, little buddy. Go get yourself a nice rat. Go on. Go on. Go on. Daddy boy, go on. You're a big one. Go on. Go on. Come on. Come on, don't follow the path, please. Come on, we've got places we gotta go. Come on. Go on.
All day.
Go on, buddy. Go on.
Thank you.
Go on, buddy.
Thank you for moving.
Go on. Go on. Go on, here. I hate to touch you, but go on. Nope, nope, don't come back. Go on.
Yeah.
Hold on, guys. Go on. It's going to coil up if you touch it because it's going to try to protect itself. Go on. Oh, come on. Okay, quiet. It's let's wait until it's far enough out of the way that we don't startle it and make it want to defend itself. Go on. Go on. There you go. Okay, it's going. All right, come on. So this section here is straddling the West Virginia line. It's meadow that goes across Peters Mountain, I guess. But this whole trail today has been really nice. It helps that there's been cloud cover. So even though it's like a high of 79 today, it hasn't been too bad. Plus we got that early start, so that helped also. But lots of wildflowers and pretty birds. I think you can just step over that, but that's barbed wire, so.
Is it gonna hurt?
No, it's fine. Go ahead.
Okay.
Just don't get caught on that one. Hey, you got your pole in my foot. They have that to go over, but.
I think that'd be like.
Come on, Camden.
That'd be more time.
Camden, get across this. Two pieces right here. Step over it, please. Well, you don't have to step on it. That was to go like over it, but honestly that looks more rickety than almost to the shelter. Harrisburg is down there. We are on the lookout for a copperhead. You guys are watching for the copperhead, right?
Yep.
Someone said copperhead on this side of the shelterhead, rattlesnake, shelterhead. Copperhead on this side of the shelter, rattlesnake on the other side of the shelter, but we're not passing the shelter today. It says right on the edge of a meadow, so I guess it would be somewhere up there, the top of a ridge. This is kind of cool. Pretty view. But we are almost there. We are lugging water. The only water source, there's no water at this shelter, so 1.4 miles north of the shelter is the last water source that we came to before. So I am loaded down with water. I have 1, 2, 3, nearly 4 liters of water in my pack, and they've got their bottles full. There's Harrisburg, which we're going to be there tomorrow. We could do it today, but there's just no reason. We still have food left, and there's no reason to pay for another night and get in late. And it'd be better if we just get in early and have the whole day, because we're going to zero tomorrow, which means we'll stay there 2 nights. And I don't know if we're staying at the Angels Rest, or somebody mentioned Holy Family was a good one, so we'll see. All right. There it is. There are people there, so they're probably stopped for lunch. I see the privy, and it does have walls. Yeah, those look like people stopped for lunch. It's hilarious. We have the privy here, but all these people are fresh out of Daleville, so they don't need the privy. And they're all, none of them are coming here. They're all eating lunch up there, I guess. They're just congregating up there. It's pretty funny. So we got the whole place to ourselves, just drying out our sheet. I'm setting up the tent inside. There's risk of thunderstorms, and I want to be inside. I heard that they had removed them. I came across somebody that had been bit. Hey there, you little turkey. We are not feeding you. We do not encourage such behavior. It is not good for you or anybody around. And you're also not going to get my trekking poles. Nice try. I don't know if they're the ones that eat the cork off trekking poles, but I'm not going to take a chance.
Yeah. Isn't the horses?
This is the rice field shelter, is that correct?
Yes.
Really
Very cool. Oh, that is beautiful, yeah.
It's barely a cliff.
There's your tiny little cliff. Ah! Well, there's
There's
a lot of ants there. Yeah.
Yep. A lot of
Ah! Yeah.
Yep. There's nothing. Wait, I want to see what's in here.
Wow.
Let's see what's in
There we go.
Oh wow.
No, please come back up
Some
here.
dead stuff I see.
That's where
Dead millipedes.
That's where snakes hide out.
No snakes are in there. There's dead millipedes in here, like 2 dead ones. Probably from the ants. It's barely a cliff. That's really but I could jump down.
Is it? Oh, there it is. This little bird is begging. It's clearly been used to being fed. It has hopped all around here, chirping at us, asking us to feed it, which we are not doing. Not feeding the deer, not feeding you. Little cutie. Again, begging. He knows we're eating. He's hoping we'll throw stuff to him. That's the eastern towhees. You want to tell me to drink my tea? Look at you. Yeah, look. It's like, please. Those crazy red eyes. Coming right up to the table, begging. How close does it get under there?
Where is he? Not that close. Where is he?
Where is it?
Just right there.
Oh,
Goodbye.
yeah, crazy.